Hey, I wanted this to be a very quick unboxing here of the brand new S24 Plus. This one should be orange. I got mine about 5 days early. It should have been here on the 31st. Today is only the 26th. So there is that sweet orange. Yeah, that's a nice orange. I think it's like tangerine orange, something like that. Very nice orange. Come back to that. Just a moment here. In here, you also get not really a whole lot. You get your cord, SIM card, ejector tool, and some paper. Nothing too exciting. We're not even going to look at that. And then the outer edge is kind of like a orangish, brownish color. It'd be hard to see on camera. Very cool. It's not just silver. Alright, so that is a very nice color. Of course, you got 3 cameras, you got your flash. 5G antenna, I do believe that is. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. Power button, volume rocker. Got a couple mics. Nothing but smoothness. Your SIM card spot. USB Type-C. And speaker. And then of course you have your speaker up top there. This might be my favorite color of the 3 different phones I got. That is really cool. Camera does not do this thing justice. That is a really sweet color. And like I said, around the edge is also like a orangish, brownish color. Very nice looking phones this year. Stay tuned to my channel. I'll be making a bunch of videos on the 3 different S24 series. The regular, the Plus, what we have here, and the Ultra. Like I said, a bunch of videos to come. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.